In this video, we're breaking down exactly what to do when you notice cracking grout in a newly remodeled shower, especially around tricky spots like your shower bench where water exposure can cause headaches. So here's the deal with cracked grout on your shower bench. It usually starts small but can spread fast if not handled right. First off, water getting on the bench, but not directly from the shower head, means it's probably seeping in from splashes or steam, which still messes with grout integrity over time. You want to avoid just slapping on new grout over cracked stuff, because if the old grout isn't fully removed, the new stuff won't stick and will crack again. The best move is to carefully remove all the loose or damaged grout using the right tools. Think grout knives, picks, and scrapers, to avoid scratching your tiles. After that, cleaning the joints thoroughly with acetone or high-concentration isopropyl alcohol, always test first to make sure it won't harm your tile, helps get rid of any residue that could stop new caulk or grout from sticking well. Instead of traditional grout for those inside corners and bench joints that see foot traffic, using a high-quality, color-matched 100% silicone caulk designed for tile lines is clutch because it's flexible and resists cracking better. If you're feeling handy, this can be a DIY job but takes patience since prep is everything. Finally, keep in mind that if the bench wasn't waterproofed properly underneath, no matter how good your grout or caulk job is, the problem might come back due to swelling wood or mold issues lurking below. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked grout in showers is ignoring the root cause, just patching over cracks instead of removing the bad grout and prepping properly. Another common issue is using regular grout instead of flexible silicone caulk in high movement areas like benches and corners, which leads to quick failure again. Lastly, not checking if the bench is waterproofed underneath means you could be fighting a losing battle if water damage is causing the cracking from below. In that case, you might need to pull out the bench and fix the waterproofing before regrouting. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot to find trusted local tile contractors who know their stuff and can help fix problems like cracked grout the right way. Plus, for tile pros and contractors looking for steady work, it's a handy platform to connect with homeowners who need reliable help for their remodeling projects.